What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Now from the scenery around me, it may not look like I'm in the Pacific Northwest, and that's because I'm not in the Pacific Northwest. This is not Eastern Oregon. I am back in Nevada. So it's been exactly a year since I've been here. So I'm happy to be back. A nice change of scenery. Now last year when I was here, I checked out the areas of Valley of Fire State Park and Red Rock Canyon Conservation Area. I have videos on both those areas. Definitely check them out. This year, I wanted to scope out a few different areas and get some hikes in. So that brings me here to Lake Mead Conservation Area, where I'm going to be headed into the Bowl of Fire. Now the name sounds worse than it is, but it is a cool name. Now it's named Bowl of Fire because of the red sandstone rocks surrounded by gray limestone, giving it the appearance that the rocks are on fire. So I'm going to be headed through the desert, which is going to lead through a canyon, and then through there, that's going to lead right into the Bowl of Fire. So I'm happy that this trail is not that long. It's just about 3.5 miles total, because this is the desert. It is hot. The area is completely exposed, not much shade. So I'm hoping to get some really nice shots, and I do have my drone with me, so I'm excited about flying that and getting a nice aerial view of the Bowl of Fire. So let's get going. Now the official trail here is very faint, but we are in the desert, so you can pretty much make your own trail and get to where you want to go. But I'm going to try and follow the official trail. So we're still on our way to Bowl of Fire, but there are other areas that have different names. The area right behind me is called Bowled Over. So I'll take a view of this area and then we'll keep moving forward. It is hot out. Glad I brought extra water, and I'm glad that this hike is not that long. Yeah, the desert, just absolute killer. Not used to this heat from being in the Pacific Northwest. But I found a nice little shade area here, right in the middle of this gorgeous red rock area. and I'm looking out over bowled over. Yeah, just absolutely beautiful scenery here. So I'm going to take a little break here, have some water, maybe have a snack, and then continue on. So I am close to Bowl of Fire, and wow, this area looks absolutely spectacular. Really beautiful with the red sandstone. Wow. All right, we're almost there, so let's keep going. We are in the middle of the Bowl of Fire, and this looks pretty spectacular with the red sandstone. Let's check this area out. All right, everyone, I am heading back to the car now. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed the different scenery while I'm here visiting Nevada. If you enjoyed the hike to Bowl of Fire and the drone footage, give the video a thumbs up. If you haven't done so yet, don't forget to check out my videos that I did last year when I featured Valley of Fire State Park and Red Rock Conservation Area. Check out my Instagram where I post some cool pictures of my hikes, and my website, wondermountainsoap.com. All the links will be in the description. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so yet, and I'll catch you on my next adventure.